Hello, it's Josh here with Tennessee Bavarian, and today we're going to do a little bit of easier hike. So I'm up here at Brighton at the end of Big Cottonwood Canyon. Started out at Silver Lake, going to walk up to Lake Solitude, do a loop. Kind of recovering from doing Mount Timpanogos yesterday, so wanted something a little less strenuous. I didn't plan on hiking today, but I flew all the way out here to Salt Lake City in the Wasatch, so I need to make the most of my time. So here I am. So this is kind of cool. I've entered the Solitude Mountain Resort area, which I've never been over here in warm weather times. I've skied here several times. It's absolutely one of my favorite ski resorts. So it's very interesting to see it with no snow. It looks a lot different. These trees look a lot smaller in the winter time. Serious. I do love to ski Solitude. It's one of my favorite ski resorts to come to. Actually, I haven't been to a bad ski resort in the Wasatch, and I've been to a few of them. I like to come out here on little 4-day weekends and kind of bounce around. I try to fly in early, usually on a Thursday, and that way I can night ski at Brighton and then kind of just bounce around from resort to resort through the weekend.
Of a dream life, never been a runner, held back and held it under, waiting for the right time to bring it all into the light. Would you stay here by my side? If I felt like, if I felt like the world was ending, would we pretend that it's alright, it's alright, it's alright? And if my mind is up in flames, would you stay with me through the night, through the night, through the night? Would you stay, would you stay? But these are hard times, let me skate around it, holding it in like a habit. Show up like the thunder, these things that I wonder. Would you be my lifeline? I'm yours if you be mine. Would you stay here by drifting through life, drifting through life. Like the world was ending, would you tell me it's alright? It's alright, it's alright. And if my mind is up in flames, would you stay with me through the night?
So this has been a fun little trail. Pretty easy so far. I would definitely say this would be a good one for kids. Another good thing about this hike, it's fairly easy. It's not too much of an elevation gain. It is a loop. There are a couple lakes, starting Silver Lake, Solitude Lake, and then this Twin Lakes Reservoir up here. But it's also near the ski areas, so easy accessibility. You're gonna see some more people out on the trails. I've definitely seen some trail runners and some other hikers.
Would you be my lifeline? I'm yours if you be mine. Would you stay?
Got some storms brewing. The risk of a lightning storm is increasing. So should be all right, but they are predicting maybe some little rains here later on tonight. Wind has picked up a little bit and temperature's definitely dropped. Feels amazing out here.
As long as you're here, I'll be alone no more. Yeah, I feel alone no more. As long as you're happy, baby. As long as our love is growing. As long as your heart is full. As long as I'm here, you shouldn't worry, darling. No cause for concern now, darling. No pleading, no begging your pardon. As long as you're here, I'll be alone no more. I'll be alone no more.
All these canyons along the Wasatch front are just absolutely beautiful. There's just something about the air up here. One, there's not a lot of oxygen in it, but to me, I don't know if it's the altitude, but the colors seem more vibrant. Coming from lower altitude with high humidity, you feel it here. You feel the lack of humidity, you feel the lack of oxygen. And again, the sun just seems a little brighter to me here. Like some of the other hikes I've done, I could definitely say an advantage of this hike is with it being so close to the ski resorts. One, safety, right? You're not that far away from people if you're not used to the outdoors. If you want to just do a little day hike or a family hike to where you're not really exposed to the elements or the wilderness, this is a good place to do it. There's a lot of little loops around here. There's a lot of easy hikes around here, and the views are just magnificent. But also cell reception. So if something were to happen, if you were to twist an ankle or something, I mean, I can stream music out here, no problem. I can make phone calls. So it helps. It goes part for the security aspect of it. So another trip where I get off the mountain just in time. Yesterday I did Timpanogos. I got down right at dark. Today I'm out right as a thunderstorm rolls up. So now I'm gonna head down the mountain. I'm gonna have dinner with a friend in the city. I'm gonna pack my stuff up and get ready to fly back to Nashville. Thank you, Utah, for having me.